Good to go.
Stop yourself there. I think you were doing really nicely until that strut up moment where it's like, who comes in next? Right?
Yeah, there was, yeah.
Okay. Have you noticed how you sound different for everybody you sing? Has anybody noticed that? That every conductor elicits a very different sound. Isn't that interesting? I mean, it really is one of the intangibles that you can't explain. Why do you sound totally different for Christian than you sound for Jackie? You do. It's a different group.
Sounds good, yeah. So.
Where do you want to go from?
Let's start from maybe... Let's start from the pickup to the tenors and sopranos to all on the bottom of page 4.
I don't even think you knew you were holding it when you started.
No, I didn't actually. Okay, same spot. You have the top 3 voices in unison, and then you have the basses doing contrary motion, right? Which is what is so fun. The top voices are going this way, the basses are going this way, the top voices go this way, the basses follow them, and then jump up the octave. So it's a really fun line, and you want to make sure that the basses know that you want them to sing there, and the best way to do that is what? To cue them in, to breathe?
Yes, to cue them in, to breathe, to look at them.
Okay.
To give them some vision, okay? Try that with the 3 parts, starting 2 all. Pick up to the bottom of 8. Your rhythm is getting wonky there, okay? It's forte, but it's classical romantic forte, early romantic forte. So I would think that the phrase really is important there, right? To all, you want crescendo. You don't want to all, right? You want crescendo over the long note.
Okay.
Try it. To all. Look down when they come in. Sorry. But you ended up in 3. Same place. Pick it from the bottom of the page. What you do really, really well and really naturally is he has this beautiful musical guitar. Do you feel it? It's really natural. And when he ends a phrase, you can feel it, and then he starts the next phrase up. What we have to get is that so that the gesture reflects your inner pulse. Okay? And what happens is when you get a little bit uncomfortable, you put your head down and you start to look at the score, and that's not going to help. Okay? But that's really good work. I think you're gonna get a lot out of seeing what you're doing well. And the other thing that he does really, really well is he invites people to sing. Yeah. You feel that? There's this sense of invitation to the dance. And you, and you, and you. And it's a really beautiful gesture. It's a gracious gesture, Christian. Okay? Good, thanks.